Hello, my name is Doug Bugle. I'm a regional sales representative for Peak Toolworks. In today's quick video, I'd like to talk to you about our partnership with Freud. Freud is the world's largest saw blade manufacturer, making over 13 million saw blades per year, and they are also a leader in the CNC tooling for their coated router bits. There's a few things with Freud that I'd like to explain. One is that they use a very large carbide tip, which gives you many more sharpenings, and they also use a harder carbide tip, which makes the tool last longer. They also have their silverized coating, which helps reduce the amount of wood pitch onto the blade. And they also have their laser-filled slots here, which helps quiet the saw blade so you get a very clean, smooth, quiet cut. For more information on our monthly specials and how we can help you with Freud products, please visit our website at www.peaktoolworks.com, or you can email us at sales@peaktoolworks.com. Thank you.